This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable Chinese takeout containers, specifically these biotech noodle takeout containers, which, as you can see from our display here, come in a variety of size options and even some great color options too. So we have the square in 8, 16, and 26 ounce sizes, and the small ones, these little 8 ounces, come in gray, black, craft, green, tangerine, newsprint, and red, which you can see over there. And the larger 2 sizes come in the black, newsprint, and craft. We also have the round ones, which, as you can see, are kind of squared off at the top and then round at the base. They also have a nice reinforced rim, so especially if you're doing something that's kind of messy with a lot of sauce, these can be nice. And they have a nice look to them where it changes from round to square at top. And we have these in 16, 26, and 32 ounce sizes, and they're also available in the craft, newsprint, and black. And this means that you have a lot of great size options and color options for your food establishment. So if you're doing some takeout, especially if you're doing something with Asian cuisines, you've got a lot of great options in terms of both sizes and configurations and colors to keep on brand, which is fantastic. They have these really great tab closures on top, which are easy to click in and also really nice and secure, which is fantastic. Since they all have a tapered side to them, it's easy to stack those sleeves up so you can have them at, just arm's length reach. They're going to take up a small footprint, also great. These are all made of sustainable and recyclable paper, and they have a poly-coating lining. So that means anything that's got a lot of sauce in it, it's going to keep it from soaking through, which is going to make them a really great takeout option for deliveries to help prevent leaks and messes in your bags and get your food to your customers and have it, looking pretty as well. So just because of the size and the color options, these are fantastic. But I also love things like these tiny ones. In addition to using them for to-go containers for small portions of things like rice and other side dishes, for catering, they make adorable little past apps with a pair of chopsticks in them, especially for small noodle dishes, dumplings, or other stuff where you're looking to do that cute presentation and really kind of wow the guests at an event. So these are going to be fantastic for anyone looking for some great options for takeout for their restaurant, food truck, bar, whatever the case may be, in that you have a great range of sizes that are going to be perfect for things like rice, small sides, main dishes, and everything in between.